Hello, it's Maxine at Fabricland. I thought I would show you some of our gorgeous cotton prints. With summer just around the corner, it's ideal time to get making, ready for the nice weather. So we've got this lovely broderie anglaise with this border print. So that would look lovely made in a shirt, and you could have the border, no hemming at the bottom. We've got daisies and tropical leaves and butterflies and animal print and bows and spots. There's so much to choose from. Just have a look at what we've got here, and this is only some of our selection. We're just about to launch our new sleeveless blouse kit. Okay, so this would look gorgeous made in any of these little prints. Okay, I've also pulled out some of our other kit patterns because they were all made with cotton. So you've got a nice shirt, a skirt, and even a trouser, another skirt. This lovely dress, this is my favourite. I think that would look gorgeous made up. We've got the shirt dress, which we've done in denim, but they would look lovely in these cotton prints, or even a nice shift dress for the summer. So come and have a look on our website. There's lots to choose from. Goodbye.